Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about servicing your AC system. We're heading into summer and you want to make sure that AC system is working properly when the heat really gets up and you go to turn it on. When you turn on the AC system, there's a couple things you don't want to happen. You don't want it to just blow hot air, and you also don't want it to smell like contaminants, mold, etc. So let's talk about that real quick. A couple things we do in an AC performance check, which is great to get your vehicle in for, is check pressures. Do a visual inspection also to make sure there's no dye leaking in the system that we can see. Along with check and vent temperature inside the car to make sure the AC system's putting out the proper temperature and the airflow is proper. With all the air channels we have inside a dash, you can often lose airflow. We often take a look at the cabin filter. As you can see here, we got a plugged cabin filter. This is how most vehicles come in with all these contaminants in it. These contaminants often cause tears in the system and allow the contaminants to go through the filter on into your cabin, which we want to try to prevent all that pollen you're breathing, etc. Another great thing that can be done is cleaning the evaporator core. This actually removes any contaminants that have got on the evaporator core and also removes pollen, all those kind of things, mold, etc. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.